Welcome to our video on the top 5 essential OSINT skills. You've probably seen a list or two or dozens of lists of the best OSINT tools. In today's digital age, conducting OSINT investigations has become increasingly important, and having the right tools is critical for success. But before we dive into our top 5 picks, we want to emphasize that the answers are probably going to surprise you. With that being said, let's get started with our list. Hello and welcome to this video on the top 5 essential OSINT tools. I am Joe Gray with the OSINTion. Today, we'll be discussing the top 5 most important tools that every OSINT investigator should have in their arsenal. Number 1, the human brain. And that's for analytic, creative, and critical thinking. There's no tool more important than the human brain. It's the most powerful tool that we possess, and it is essential for OSINT investigations. Analytical thinking helps you identify the patterns and the connections that others may miss. Creative thinking helps you approach problems from different angles and develop new strategies and techniques. Critical thinking helps you to evaluate the sources and identify misinformation, disinformation, and pull yourself out of rabbit holes when you catch yourself falling down one. Number 2, a reliable computer. A reliable computer is essential for an OSINT investigation. You need a machine that's powerful enough to handle the demands of multiple applications and reliable enough to run for long periods of time and secure enough to protect your data. Furthermore, you should also consider using a sterile system for each individual investigation. Number 3, internet connectivity. You can't conduct OSINT investigations without an internet connection. Make sure you have a reliable and fast connection that can handle the demands of the research, data collection, and analysis. Number 4, a web browser. It's the primary tool for conducting online research. Sure, you can use scripted tools from the command line, but at the end of the day, some of the things that you need to access cannot be accessed from the command line without prior working knowledge. Choose a browser that's fast or secure that can handle multiple tabs. You also want to take a look at what plugins or extensions your browser of choice will support, because you can have ad blockers, additional note-taking tools, and password managers within your browser. Number 5, the ability to take notes and write reports. The final tool in our list is the ability to take notes and write reports. OSINT investigations can generate or uncover a lot of data, and it's essential to have a system for organizing and storing that data, whether that be written notes or something like Standard Notes, Obsidian, Cherry Tree, or OneNote. It doesn't really matter as long as you have the ability to take those notes. But then you also need something that's going to allow you to actually write your report, whether that be Microsoft Word or OpenOffice, or you may be old-fashioned and use a typewriter. Either way, you need something to be able to write those reports and communicate your findings effectively to your clients. These are the top 5 essential OSINT tools. Remember, the human brain is the most powerful tool that you have, but having the right technology and tools can make all the difference. Thanks for watching and happy investigating.
You can follow us on Twitch. OSINT.mobi/Twitch is the redirect. OSINT.mobi/YouTube is the YouTube redirect. And also, we maintain a couple of communities. On Discord, we maintain the OSINTion Discord, which is OSINT.mobi/Discord. And we are also members of OSINTelligence on LinkedIn, which you can join via OSINT.mobi/OSINTelligence. There are the links to my social media as well as the OSINTion's. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.